All right, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you proof that you can build a free lead magnet using free software and AI. Then you can get free traffic to it, get people to sign up to that lead magnet, and eventually become a customer of yours. So if this is my channel right over here, I do come out with daily Make Money Online videos. My channel is different than a lot of other channels in this space where I'm actually showing you proof and showing you real money, real numbers, real conversions, and what really works to make money with affiliate marketing, and then going and trying to recreate those videos. We all know that those strategies don't actually work. Trying out strategies that the creator of those videos already knows don't work. They're making those videos to get views and get you to sign up to whatever they're selling. It's just a content hamster wheel where I'm making part of my content showing you what I'm doing on a daily basis, whether that's making money on Warrior Plus or JVZoo, making money with my school community and teaching students how to really do this, whether that's selling courses or selling software, which I'm doing all those things. You're going to learn about that on this channel. So if you like that kind of stuff, make sure you subscribe and let's get started. Okay, so what we're going to do is come over here to one of my last videos that I've created. Some of these other thumbnails over here, I spent a lot more time on. I did get really good results with this one, almost 1,000 views, but some of these I used AI. Some of these that I spent quite a bit of time on didn't even get 100 views. So the thumbnails that I spend less than 5 minutes on actually perform pretty well. So I've gone back to what I'm calling my ugly thumbnails. And that's just these thumbnails where I change the text out, boom, maybe put an image right there. There's an arrow or something like that. It's just very simple. While the video is rendering, I'll go to Canva and create my thumbnail. It's an ugly thumbnail, but sometimes I can get 6, 7, up to 10% click-through rate on these. When I pay somebody or I spend more time on them, I don't get better results. I don't know about you, but leave a comment below if thumbnails really, like, you can go and spend $100 on a thumbnail and it doesn't mean that you're going to get more views on your video. I want to come through here and show you this one right over here. The easiest way to start affiliate marketing today. We came over here and you can see that when we go through here, I showed you how to go through this entire process. I'll leave a link to that below and you can go and check that video out. It's the easiest way to start affiliate marketing today. We talked about how you can go and build a complete lead magnet. I show you what software to use, how to label and create your campaign, how to use AI to create your autoresponder and your lead magnet and do the whole thing, the graphics and everything, right? I'm not going to show you all that in this video because I already did that last week for you. So go and check that out. There'll be a link below. You can go and watch that video as well. Push pause, come back to this video if you hadn't watched that video already, because I'm going to show you the proof that it actually works, right? So if you go and do what I show you in this video that you can see on the screen right here, you go and actually create your lead magnet, put your email autoresponder together using free software, all that stuff. Then you go out and get free traffic. You can use paid traffic as well. It'll work for either one. A lot of you don't have the funds to go out there and spend a lot of money on Facebook ads and so forth. So that's what I like to teach is free traffic on YouTube, right? So you can go and set up your YouTube account, go start pumping out some videos. And then I'm going to show you right over here, you'll be able to see on the screen right over here, I'm blocking out the email addresses on purpose, but you'll see that we are getting people every single day right here. September 25th, we got 3, September 26th right there, September 27th. So we are getting people to actually sign up for our free lead magnet, make your first $1,000 in affiliate marketing. We are actually getting people that are going and getting their free gift, getting that lead magnet, getting value from it, and getting introduced to us on another level than just a YouTube video. This is what works, right? This is how you can create a lead magnet. And then this shows, I have these literally labeled, so it will tell you where they came from. Now this right here, opt in from Commission Gorilla, that means somebody purchased something from me with my affiliate link. And in order to access a bonus that I put together for them, they actually have to give me their email address. Pretty dang cool. It's a slick way to build your email list with buyers. So build a buyers list with other people's products, and all you have to do is tell people about them, right? That's a cool way of doing that. If you want me to create a video specifically on that, leave a comment below. So you can come over here and go into your emails, and I can go to campaigns real quick and show you this is actually working. We have 10 emails loaded in here. This is a fresh campaign we just started, and you can see people have started coming in. We've sent 13 emails to 13 leads. You can see the open rates as well, almost a 40%. That means 40% of the people that signed up for that lead magnet found the email, opened it up, and are getting the lead magnet. Then you can come down here and see that we are now starting to send out an email once per day, right? One email per day they're going to get, and they're going to go on a journey, me telling them about my story and so forth, and then also offering them something of value that they can come in and make a purchase as well. So that's what's going on the back end. Let's look at the sales funnel that we have right over here. This is where we created the lead magnet, right? And I'm actually doing a split test on this as well. I'm not really sure how well the split test is going, but we created 2 pages. I can go into the A/B split test and it will tell you what the conversion rate. The first page is just killing it with 100% conversion rate, 7 out of 7. And then the second one is only getting almost a 30% conversion rate. You can also click on stats and really look at the numbers in a different way. I don't really know. Since the A/B test, the stats are going to be the stats that have been there the entire time, but they still don't add up because we're getting 9 page views right here on that test. We're getting 7 page views right there. So I think stats tells the entire story. Right over here, we've only had 1. I don't know why we're getting 1 sign up right there on the second page. And then we come over here to the A/B split test. It's saying we had 2 conversions. So the A/B split testing in System.io, not really sure it works that well. The numbers don't seem like they're working that well. You might want to just build a page, run it for a week, see what your conversion rate is, and then change it, and then run that, maybe note your changes and so forth. I'm not really that impressed with the A/B split test, to be completely honest with you. All we did was just create another page. We went and created the test. You can see the different pages. I'm going to leave a link below. Go sign up for this lead magnet. Go through my process. Go through this entire sales process for free. See how you can put all this stuff together. Go learn in that video below how to put it all together, how to build your lead magnet, how you can go into Canva. And you can see I built that lead magnet right over here. So go sign up for the lead magnet and go and get this right here. You're going to be able to, I also teach you in the video below how to create these graphics so that you can go and actually create. Here's the first page. We can go view funnel step. We can go over here and take a look. So this is the first lead magnet page right here. And then we can come over here and look at the second one where we have some bullet points. It might be a little uglier, but it's great to test out ugly landing pages and so forth. I will be honest, the pages that we can create in here, they're not as good looking as if you were using maybe another program or software. But guess what? You're signing up for System. You're getting it for complete 100% free for up to 2,000 contacts. And so we can't really complain too much about this. These look pretty good and they're good enough for people to go and actually sign up. But if you're looking for the greatest, you might want to spend a little bit more time. You can probably make it look exactly like you want it to in System as well. But these are my landing pages and we're getting people and it's actually working. You can come over here and some people are actually signing up. I'm blocking out their email address as well. Some people are signing up and they may already be on another list of mine. If they're on any of your other lists in System.io, they're still going to show up right here that they signed up right here. They're still going to get tagged appropriately. They're just not going to show up on your dashboard as a new contact. We've been able to get 11 new leads for free using YouTube traffic, using Canva for free to create our lead magnet and graphics, and using a bot that you actually get inside the lead magnet as well. That's going to help you create your lead magnet, tell you how to build it, how to create all the steps and all the tips. And you'll go into Canva, create your lead magnet, and it'll look like that. And then you're going to put it all together and it's going to look like something where someone can go and put their name and email address in, push get my free guide, and then they're going to get an email right away that they can go click on and download this free lead magnet. And now you have them on your list. You gave them value for free, and now you can start introducing yourself to them. And the more value you give, the more they're going to get to know you and your brand and what you stand for and how you make money online or whatever you're teaching, right? And if they want to continue on the path of getting emails with you or not, that's where you can continue to give them value, but then you can also lead them to one of your products. Maybe start them off with a low ticket product, get them into your ecosystem. And then eventually, if they buy a low ticket item from you, you can actually move them off of a certain list and system. You do that with tagging and move them into another list. This is my buyer's list of this product. When someone gets automatically tagged with a bot, you can actually start a new email campaign for them and you can start upselling them for maybe your mid-ticket program where they might spend a couple $100 with you. And then if they buy that, then you take them another journey, you tag them, you create another campaign, maybe for your high ticket offer or one-on-one coaching program where you're only emailing people that have already gone through the journey and purchased a couple products. So that's how that works. We start with creating a lead magnet. Go watch this video over here because it's going to take you by the hand, show you the entire process. I'll leave that link below. Then you're going to go in here and you're going to go into system and you're going to go and create a quick funnel under sales funnel. You're going to go and create a quick newsletter campaign right over here. You're going to hook those up. And when people sign up, they're going to end up under leads right here. You're going to have a thank you page as well. And then when people go and click on the lead, I'm going to have that lead right below. It'll be the first link below. Go click on it and you'll get your leads right here. You'll be able to see what leads they are. And then they're going to go and they're going to get an email right off the bat. So this video is to show you to put it all together. This is not like it was a long time ago. Even though I have 12,000 subscribers, my channel, the videos are struggling to get 100 to 200 views. So we're not getting a whole lot of views. And that's what I teach. It doesn't matter about how many views you get because we've made sales. And I can go over here and I can show you in my school community right over here that we have 69 members in here right now. We have people logged into the community and we can see new posts. We actually have a call coming up in 48 hours. So if you want to be on that call, get your questions answered. It's a kind of a group coaching session where we do a Q&A. You can ask me questions. We have next call questions right over here. You can actually put your question right here and anything you want to know about your business, your YouTube, how to select a niche, keyword research, how to start this whole thing, you'd be able to jump on the call. You also can come in the community, leave your question right here, and then I will actually answer it on the call, even though you can't make the call possibly. And then you would go into the classroom setting into the live Zoom calls, and it would be our next call right there. I show you how to rank videos as well. Right now, it's at its lowest price it'll ever be at until we get to 100 members. It's at $17 per month. Don't tell anyone. Come jump in right now. And then the price actually spikes right back up to $97 once we get to 100 members. And we can show you that we are actually getting people signing up. This was at 9 signups in the last 7 days. This is a rolling 7-day period right here, but we've got a good conversion rate. We got 6 signups and the traffic going to our sign up page right now. So the speed at which this is happening, you probably only have like a week or 2 left to make that decision to sign up. I'd love for you to be our next member. This is the offer taking you along a journey, how you can go in there and actually build a YouTube channel that makes this kind of money, the proof, how you can go out there and do affiliate marketing and make this kind of money in your account. And we have testimonials of people that have actually come in here and done this and have gotten results as well. You can see we have people making almost $500 in one sale on Warrior Plus. This is recent. Click the link below. We'll have 3 links below. The first link is the lead magnet. Go get that lead magnet, get on my list, see how it's actually done. No one's doing this. I'm telling you about what you're getting in the lead magnet and I go sign up so you can see the process on how the whole thing is put together and how it works. Because when you watch the second link in the video below, you can see how I built the entire lead magnet that I'm showing you right now. That's the most powerful way to learn. You can learn by doing and seeing what somebody else actually did, and then apply that to your niche and your business. And then the third link, I will leave a link to my YouTube affiliate accelerator program that you can jump in right now at the lowest price it'll ever be. I would love for you to click on that one and join us right now. Be the next member. Thanks so much. Just wanted to put this out there as proof that when you build a lead magnet, you get free traffic, leads, and sales. We're getting sales with this lead magnet. Thanks for joining me. I'll see you in the next video.